Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll be discussing dominance property in game theory. The dominance property in game theory is used to reduce the size of a payoff matrix by eliminating inferior strategies. Objective of dominance property is to solve for the optimal strategy or the value of the game. A row is dominated if it provides a lower payoff compared to another row, and column is dominated if it provides a higher payoff compared to another column. Based on these objectives, we're going to solve the example for a game theory using dominance property. So steps for principle of dominance: compare two rows and eliminate the row which is having element less than or equal to another row. Second step, compare two columns with each other and delete the higher payoff compared to another column. Step will be repeated till we reach 2 cross 2 matrix, and then we'll apply the saddle point to find the value of the game. Derivation formula for 2 cross 2 matrix. A saddle point not exist means maximin is not equal to minimax. For calculation, dominance principle, we are having the oddman formula. A1 minus A2 will be written opposite side. While solving the row, we have to come from left to right. A1 minus A2 will be written below. And for the second row, we have to come right to left. B2 minus B1, it will be written at the top. Similarly, for the first column, top to bottom, it will be written on the right hand side, A1 minus B1. And for the second column, it will be from bottom to top, B2 minus A2. So probability will be simply B2 minus B1 divided by its total, simply A1 minus A2 divided by its total. Similarly here, B2 minus A2 divided by total, A1 minus B1 divided by total. And similar way, we're going to find the value of the game. So let's come to the example. The following table represent the payoff matrix. Solve it optimally and find the value of the game. So player A having the 4 strategies, player B having the 4 strategies. First calculate total for each row and column. So here is the total: 130, 165, 100, 140, 160, 195, 50 and 30. Then for player A, choose lowest total, that is 65, and compare each payoff with another row, that is compare each element of A2 with all other elements of A1, A3 and A4. Since each element of A2, 30, 20, 15 and 0, they are less than equal to A1. 30 is less than 35, 20 less than 65, 15 less than 25, 0 less than 5, which means A1 dominates A2, hence delete A2. Means deleting A2 will not affect the matrix. That's why we are deleting A2. Since each element of A2 is less than equal to elements of A1. So A1 dominates A2. Then coming to the next, minimum total from the row is 100. Again, 100 is for A3. So compare each payoff entries of A3 with another row. So here we can see 40 is less than 55, 50 less than 60, 0 less than 10, 10 is less than 15, which means A4 dominates A3. So we're going to delete A3. So A4 dominates A3, hence delete A3. How we are deleting, how we are eliminating? If the elements of the row is less than equal to another elements of the row, which means we're going A4 we're going to dominate A3. So delete A3. So we have deleted A3. A3 is deleted. Now coming back to for column player B. Now among the column we have to choose the maximum entry, highest total, which is 195. Now compare each entries of B2 with another column. So here 65 is greater than 35, 60 is greater than 55, which means B1 dominates B2. In column, we have to delete maximum entries, and in row, we have to delete minimum entries of the strategies. So B1 here dominates B2. So we're going to delete B2. So B2 is deleted. Then coming to the another maximum maximum total. So its maximum total is 160. Again, we can see 35 is greater than 25. 55 is greater than 10, which means B3 dominates B1. So we're going to delete B1. So and B1 is deleted. Now remaining matrix will be B3, B4 for player B, for player A, A1 and A4. Again using the oddment formula 25 minus 5. For the first row, we're going to calculate from left to right. 25 minus 5, it will be written below. Then for the second row will come from right to left. 15 minus 10, it will be written at the first row entry. For the first column, it will be from top to bottom. 25 minus 10, it will be written at the cross 15. And for the second column, it will be from bottom to top. 15 minus 5, it will be 10. So 5 divided by its total. 20 plus 5, 25. 20 divided by its total. Similarly, 10 divided by total. 15 divided by total. And the value of the game is 25 multiplied by 5 plus 10 multiplied by 20. Divided by total is 25. So value of the game is 13. Got it, everyone? So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe the channel Core Education. Thank you, everyone.